Hi friends, I am Dinesh and you are watching HBS News Info. Imagine a person sentenced to death by the court. Is that the absolute end or can the punishment be reduced? Yes. Under IPC section 54, commutation of death sentence, the law gives power to change a death penalty into life imprisonment or another punishment. In this video, we will break it down in simple words with an easy example so you will clearly understand how the death penalty can be reduced by law. Stay tuned till the end for complete clarity.
Dad, today in class I read about IPC section 54, 55 and 56, but I didn't really understand. Can you explain?
Of course, these are about punishments under the old Indian Penal Code. Let's go step by step. Now, IPC section 54, commutation of death sentence. Imagine someone is given a death sentence. According to the section 54, the government had the power to reduce it to life imprisonment.
Oh, so instead of hanging the person, they could keep him in jail forever?
Exactly. For example, if a man committed a terrible crime, but there were some special reasons, like he was very young or he helped the police later, the government could say, instead of death, let him live in prison for a life.
That sounds more merciful.
Next is the IPC section 55, commutation of life imprisonment. Now, section 55 is the opposite. Here, if a person was given life imprisonment, the government could reduce it to a term of not more than 14 years. Correct.
So, someone sentenced for life could be released earlier?
Correct. For example, imagine a woman gets life imprisonment for a crime. After many years, she showed good behavior in jail, helps other prisoners, and reforms. The government could reduce her punishment to 14 years instead of lifetime.
So it was a way to reward people who showed change.
Now IPC section 56, which means penal servitude. Section 56 is a bit unusual. In olden times, if European or American foreigners committed crime in India, their life sentence could be converted into a penal servitude.
Penal servitude? What's that?
Hard labor in prison means doing hard works like breaking stones, carrying heavy loads, or other tough physical work. This is only applicable for foreigners and not for Indians.
So instead of just sitting in jail, they had to do hard labor.
Exactly. But later this section was repealed because it gave special mention only for foreigners, which was not fair.
Let me see if I got it right. Section 54, death sentence could become life imprisonment. Section 55, life imprisonment could be reduced to 14 years. Section 56, foreigners could be given hard labor instead of life imprisonment.
Perfect. Now you got it.
Thanks, Dad. Now my homework looks easy, but it also makes me think. These laws showed how punishments could be adjusted with mercy or fairness.
That's the lesson, dear. Law is not just about punishment, it's also about justice and humanity.